lab junctions, digital, pH, conductivity, TDS, temperature meter. We have two models in this. One is LJ181 and one is LJ182. Both are 4-in-1. 4 parameters in one instrument. This is our main instrument. This is the front view. In the front view, this is the function control for selecting parameters. Range, selection for conductivity, TDS. Temperature is for conductivity, TDS. And these 3 knobs are for pH. One is for pH, one is temperature setting for pH, and one is 7 pH for calibration of pH. And this control is for cell constant. Cell constant to feeding conductivity TDS values. Now, this is the side control, back control, again side control. In the back control, first is the temperature sensor for inserting temperature sensor connector. Next is pH BNC connector for inserting pH electrode. Third one is connecting conductivity TDS cell cum sensor. This is on-off control and this is the main control. With this instrument, supplied accessories are instruction manual, with warranty card and dust cover, and one is pH electrode, pH combination glass electrode, another one is conductivity TDS salinity cell. Stand for hanging pH electrode, conductivity TDS cell and temperature sensor. pH buffer bottles with capsules, 7 pH and 4 pH. You have to add 100 ml distilled or deionized water to each bottle and add powder of capsule and stay for 4 hours only. After that, your buffers or solutions for ready to use. This is conductivity TDS standard solution for standardizing instrument. This have 1 millisiemens for conductivity value, 650 for TDS and 750 for salinity. Now, how to install and use this instrument? I'm switching on the instrument. Now, connecting sensors. This is temperature sensor and this is pH electrode. You have to just insert this. You have to just insert this and twist. Lock this. Now this is the conductivity TDS cell energy cell. Now first, this is the function control. This is the pH selection, conductivity, TDS and temperature. Now this is showing temperature 23.3. Now I am standardizing pH value. For pH, first you have to set your temperature. I am setting standard 25 degrees centigrade. After that, this is the pH electrode. How to open? Like you have to open like this. Grip its neck and open bottom bottle. These are the standard solutions of 7 pH and 4 pH. First you have to dip in 7 pH like this. First you have to set 7 from 7 pH knob like this. Now I'm changing pH electrode to 4 pH buffer. Set value from 4 pH knob. Like this. Now your pH parameter is calibrated. Now refresh this electrode like this. Like this you have to refresh and dip in the sample. After few minutes your reading comes on display. Now this sample has pH 7.09. Now I am calibrating conductivity. You have to calibrate only conductivity. Automatically TDS value calibrate. These are the ranges for conductivity and TDS values. Suppose conductivity is 200, then TDS is 200 ppm. Next is 2 millisiemens, then TDS is 2 ppt. If this have 20 millisiemens, then TDS have 20 ppt. If conductivity value is 200 millisiemens, then TDS value is 200 ppt. You have to calibrate like this this standard solution. You dip your conductivity TDS cell in the standard solution. Always set your standardized temperature to 25 degree or set your ambient temperature. Now, this is showing 1. It means over range because I am inserting conductivity TDS cell in the 1000 microsiemens and this range is 200 only. Then maximum resolution is on 2000 millisiemens. I am changing this like this, and you have to set from the cell constant knob 1.000. Like this. Because our standard has value 1.000 millisiemens, then you have to set 1.000. Always give instrument 10 minutes for warm up in the starting. Then you got stable values. Now here 1 millisiemens is calibrated. Now refresh your conductivity TDS cell and take your readings. Now in some cases, suppose your standard solution is missed, then you go directly to cell constant. Note down this cell constant in your notebook, 1.190. After 10 days, you again come to your instrument and need to calibrate conductivity TDS, but you don't have standard solution of TDS and conductivity. Then you go directly to cell constant control and feed your cell constant 1.189. Then go for conductivity and directly take the readings of conductivity and TDS values. In some cases, if in this display it shows only 1 like this, in some samples reading shows 1, then you go to next range. Again it shows over range 1, go to next range. Again it shows 1, then go to next range. In mostly cases your values are achieved on 2000 millisiemens and TDS value is 2 ppt like this. This is TDS value. This is TDS value. When you go to TDS, directly shows TDS value. Which parameter you want, select from the function control, pH, conductivity, TDS and temperature. Thanks.